Hello everybody, welcome back to All DIY No Skills. So this is the second half of our video, a 2-week update. So if you saw in the first half, having a problem with this section of the lawn where there's just too much water retention in it. I originally assumed it was a busted main pipe. Water company said it's not, the pressure's holding fine. So I might be watering too much. To try to alleviate some of the moisture and try to uncompact the ground, threw down some sand, some extra seed to try to fill these spots in, and we'll see how that goes. But other than this trouble spot, you can see the rest of the lawn is looking beautiful. In another week it would be ready to mow. It's just that one spot giving me, this section over here giving me trouble. Too much moisture in the ground. But look at the rest of this, nice, growing in nice thick. So stay tuned for updates, and we'll see if I can fix this, or if the water company really is full of BS and there is actually a leak underground, because I don't think I'm watering too much. But the ground is saying otherwise. The ground's saying there's a lot of water in it. All right, thanks again. Take care.